Good morning, ma'am. So, the intelligible world, I will go first to divided line. The sense or the senses in visible world. When we sense something or we see, we gain image of the things around us, and also we imagine those image that we see. Then those image we see a thing or the object. As we see a table, we see an object around us. And also we have this belief when we see an table, we have this belief that the table is like this. And through it there comes the mind that transcends the what we see or beyond what is the invisible. This through thinking, and we think we transcend what we can see, and also reason that give us a theory like a chair or a chair has I have four legs, and a formula on how to create a chair or what meaning what the identity of the chair itself. And through it we gain an understanding to the idea or the form or what the chair becomes chair or what is the essences or what is the identity of the chair.